after you.
You're not dropping the phone, Mum.
Alright.
I know. Don't worry. I'm already worried about dropping it.
Okay.
Hello.
Get
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Wait.
It was just walking like this every day.
Banana leaf on a dodgy elf.
Yeah, twice. One was coming at me like
How
this,
cool
and
is
I
this,
dodged
guys? Hey!
Like, I barely saw it.
How cool is this? As long as he stays safe on the road, we're good. If he doesn't, we're screwed.
Talk to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a thing. The curiosity. Give a cat a lot, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head on to the faucet. You're my alibi.
There's tobacco. Son, just a hat. Oh, good. Good, thank you. How much did you pay? Yankees? How much did you pay? 35. Yeah, we gotta buy, guess what? Shoes for him tomorrow. Oh, there's some birds on the side. Doves.
No, I didn't buy one.
There's always a kite in the tree, but you've got your own glasses, Lily. Where did they end up? He was gonna take us to lunch. Hello. We were gonna go to lunch after the thing, and there's snacks there, but I said let's go to lunch now. How cool is this? Is this not the best thing so far on this holiday? Hello. It's not the best thing so far on this holiday. Look at the footage I'm able to get. Hello. Hello. Annoying white people in the back of the truck. Here's some more cases over here. Who knows?
Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home.
Did the mother shoo him off the road?
Yeah, one of them, the mom actually had one of the babies.
Good on her. Oh look, they're washing the road ahead of us.
Oh, I felt like it.
Did you get wet?
I'm in the spot where everything hits me.
Look at old mate in a black hoodie doing that up there. Oh my goodness. There's a better shot there, look. The lady with those massive scars on her leg. Hello. And SpongeBob. Don't forget the goofy goobers in their SpongeBob.
Throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a thing. The curiosity.